Hello there, Jane. Last weekend we had our warmest weather of the year so far, and across other parts of Europe, temperature records were broken. But colder air has swept in across many parts of Europe, and here at home we've got the risk of some frost at night in the next couple of nights. It's not quite as windy today, but it's still cold, and some of the driest weather is likely to be across central and southern parts of Scotland. We haven't got the same level of instability, the same depth of cloud, but we're still seeing some sharp showers around today. There is still the risk of some hail and thunder. And then we get one of these at long last, high pressure building towards the UK just in time for the weekend. What does that mean? Well, we're going to have some much needed drier weather on the way. It could be rather cloudy, mind you, and it's not going to be as warm as it was last weekend.
Hello there, and a very good evening to everyone at home. Well, it's been another day of April showers, sunshine and scattered showers for most of us today. Has felt a little chilly out there, despite the fact temperatures got up to around 13 degrees Celsius today. So we're going to continue with that theme, with that northerly breeze and feeling colder than we would expect for this time of year.
Now, before we go to the weather here, take a look at what's been happening in Dubai, usually a place where you're pretty much guaranteed sunshine. Heavy rains have swept the area, causing challenging conditions at Dubai Airport, which says it is diverting arriving flights until the weather conditions improve. Residents are being urged to stay away from the flooded areas. Weather here now. Stav, hello.
Hi there, Sophie. Yeah, very intense scenes there. That heavy rain pushing into Afghanistan and Iran as we speak, and things will be calming down there. But thankfully, our weather hasn't been as wild as it was yesterday. Good evening to you. We have had further showers again, some heavy with some hail and thunder in places, and it has felt on the cool side, and that's going to be the theme over the next few days, staying rather cool for the time of year with further showers or even longer spells of rain before things turn drier just in time for the weekend.
With all we need to know, well, you're smiling, so that's a good start.
Well, I was sort of picturing people running in the weather that we'd had today. What is it? The kitchen sink, the lightning, the hail, all of that.
All sorts of things.
It should be a little bit calmer for them by Sunday, I'm pleased to say. A little bit warmer as well for the spectators. That'll be good news. But in the meantime, of course, today has been a classic April day of sunshine and some heavy showers and quite a keen northwesterly wind as well. So it has felt quite chilly out there. Here's just one of the Weather Watchers pictures showing us, some sunshine, some blue sky, also the very black cloud, and eventually we got some lines of thundery showers this afternoon. Here's one of the biggest, blackest clouds that we saw coming through from our Weather Watchers. And we've still got a bit more of that to go. For tomorrow, for instance, we do have further showers in the forecast. But as I say, by the weekend, it is looking an awful lot drier and brighter. Still some work to do. As I say, tomorrow morning and certainly on Thursday morning, it's going to be a chilly old start for you. A little bit of ground frost out there towards our suburbs. And then tomorrow, after a dry and sunny start, we'll see their showers feeding back towards us in the afternoon. And like today, they could have some hail, thunder and lightning mixed in with them, but there will be some sunshine around. Looks like we're going to have quite a bit of cloud at the end of the week, a weak cold front bringing us that. But as I say, things turn warmer and more settled, certainly by Sunday.
I love the enthusiasm, Sarah. Thank you. And it stays lighter longer.
And high pressure for now is sitting to the west, and that will bring some more cloud towards us for tomorrow. But at the moment, we've still got the showers, and we've seen them streaming across northern England, into the Midlands and into the southeast of England, where there's been a few thundery showers around as well.
Alex is here. Alex, it seems to be at the moment that we're getting all four seasons in one day.
It's been very, very changeable over the last few days. And I think also what confuses people when we get that colder snap of weather is that Easter was very early this year. So once Easter's out of the way, you think you're well into spring and we should be getting more summery-like conditions. But that hasn't been the case. However, it wasn't too bad last week. In fact, at the weekend, we got up to 21 degrees Celsius. That made it our warmest day of the year so far. That was at Writtle in Essex, getting to 21.8 degrees Celsius to be precise. Today, however, in stark contrast, just 15 degrees Celsius, and I suspect it will be a little bit cooler than that as we head through into tomorrow. So if you're up early tomorrow morning, perhaps grab a scarf, unpack the winter woolies. But hopefully by the weekend, things are going to look better, drier, maybe a bit brighter, with highs of 16 degrees.
I hope so. I refuse to put the heating on, Alex. Thank you.